Let's see if we can't get this right. Advanced Material Base. One thing we forgot. Let's use electric. All right. Start off, we're just going to kill the first people that come in. We're just going to set them up right there. Good enough, right there. Right there. Good enough, right there. Bring in our controllers to kill stuff. All right, these guys, they'll kill. These two things will continue to attack you, but not if you stop. So what we'll do, we'll bring in Brandon, because what Brandon's going to do, oh, I must have not deselected him. Brandon's going to cause these guys to come in, which we need to kill these so that we don't deal with them later. Okay, now we're just going to stop. And the reason we stop is that those two don't generate any more things that attack us. So no, they won't attack us anymore. The airfield and the depot will no longer create troops to kill us. Now we're just going to bring in a couple of controllers, get rid of the tank. Put them right there. Bring in a couple of devout. We only need one as a decoy. So as soon as he starts to shoot, we're going to put him on hold. All right, right there. He's good. Now, and he won't take much damage at all. Now our controllers will clear everything out. He's just a decoy to take the damage, and he'll end up getting a couple of seconds of damage. Really not much at all. All right, let's clean out this guy. We're making room so that our Brandon can come in and kill the tanks, the electric tanks on the sides. Take them out, take them out. All right, good enough. All right, that's good enough. Now we're going to retreat these guys. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take him out. So we're going to bring Brandon in. And we're going to line him up so that he shoots right here, because we want to take him out. A little trick that we do with escorts where we shoot, and then whatever we shoot will kill most of the base. So let the tank kill the base for you. Do it the easy way. Hopefully he'll get the rail. A little bit off center, so maybe not. No, almost, but not quite. All right. Retreat him. We got as far as we could with him. Now we're going to clean out this side. So we're going to do the same thing. Bring in our controllers to get rid of the tank. Then bring in the devout to take the damage from the towers. Okay, that's good. Bring in a couple devout. Put them on hold. Take one. Bring him over here. As soon as he starts taking damage, put him on hold. And another step further. There. Get them both to shoot. Now we'll clean it out with our controllers. Now he's going to start moving and we don't want him to move. So we're going to retreat everybody. We want him to be back where he was because again, we're going to use Brandon and we're going to send him through the base and see if we can clear out the rest of the base. Don't need to make it difficult on ourselves. We want to get the rail. The rail's not that hard, but if we can get rid of the rail, it makes it so much easier. Then we can use ground troops. Otherwise, you have to use air. So we just line them up and send him through. Good. Got him. Just see what he can kill. Okay, watch Brandon, or Braden, because once he starts getting in the way. All right, now. In fact, we should use Braden again. Right here. Take this guy out, because he will kill our dog. Now all you want to do is get rid of the mines. These guys are just protection for Max. I don't anticipate anything coming, but if it does, I want to have some protection. All right. Now we're going to bring in Max. Max is going to clean out all of the mines for us. Come on, get up. What are you doing, man? Right there. All right, that's it. 9. Once you get rid of 9, that's it. All right, get rid of them, get rid of them. Now we're going to clean out some of this stuff with some controllers. Let's bring in some control. How much time we got? 24 seconds. Not enough time. Start over. Let's bring in some controllers. All right. Now we're just going to clean out the stuff. We're not going to get near them, but we'll get what we can. And just, I take it a piece at a time. Whatever is going to be the most effective way to kill it. We got rid of all the mines, so we don't have to worry about that anymore. Otherwise, that will kill your troops. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. I never got rid of him. Oh, that was stupid. Wasn't paying attention. Mistakes are made on a daily basis. Otherwise, I would have had almost no damage. Take him out. All right, try that again. Bring our controllers in. Give you a hint, don't do that. All right. Let's see if we can get this guy. Can't always get him. Boy, the lag is crazy today. All right. That's all we wanted to do. Now we're going to bring in our chopper. Because even with a tune full of controllers, these two guys will kill most of the drones. It's amazing how effective they are in killing drones. So we'll take them out with our chopper. Okay, that's all we needed. Just take those guys out. Bring our controllers back. We're not fast, but generally you do it with very minimal damage. Unless you don't pay attention to the tank, and then the tank shoots your controllers. You want to save him because that'll take out the CC for you. Don't worry about him. He only shoots air. He won't do anything. Take him out whenever you want to. The lag is terrible. Try to shoot stuff and it doesn't move. Well, by the time it moves, you're dead. All right, now we're going to take him out. That'll take those two guys out. Maybe all three. Not always. Okay, he's gone, he's gone, he's gone. Let's come down here. Shoot him, take him out. Oh, good, got them all. All right, let's retreat these guys. The rest we'll get with air. First we'll start with a Braden. What am I doing? Why did I retreat Braden? I don't know. Half a brain, I guess. Chopper. Guess we could have done that with a chopper too. Goofing off. And the chopper will take minimal damage and it'll clear all this stuff out and you're done.